So right now we are waiting on this road for like an hour, over an hour. This is our accommodation here. It was the worst so far. There's nothing much to do in this town. Only you have a beach over there, and the shop was in the center, like 2 kilometers. They had nothing in the shop literally, and you can even see the bus just doesn't go.
Shops usually are. See how it's closed?
Yeah, you see that's how the shops are. So you can't even get inside. They have like the gates on it. So after waiting about 2 hours on the road, we finally caught a bus, and we're really angry how there was no timetable, no schedule about buses going. Our host told us to go wait on the road, that it's gonna come any minute. Also, the woman working in the shop told us the same, and nothing. We were waiting there like 2 hours, and we didn't know what time it's gonna come. We didn't know if it's gonna come in 1 hour or in 1 minute. So that's really bad about that. So we are actually traveling to Manta, where we're gonna sleep one night in some hostel, and then the next day in the morning, like early morning, we're gonna catch a plane to Quito. So the coast, some things were nice. Guayaquil was not good. The next Salinas was good, the whale watching, but otherwise nothing much to do. Olon was good for surfing. I would definitely come to Olon and Montañita. And Puerto Cayo was a waste of time, nothing to do there. So here we arrived to Manta. I didn't even record outside with the phone because lots of dodgy people around, didn't get a good vibe, same like Guayaquil. We just arrived to the smallest airport I've ever seen. It's literally just like one gate. Here we go, leaving Manta. There was nothing to do, I mean nothing to see, and we're going to Quito. Here we go. So I think that this could be Chimborazo, which is like 6,200 meters above sea level, and is the highest peak in the world if you count it from the center of the earth. And here you can see a Cotopaxi volcano with the typical cone shape, and it's around 5,800 meters. And here you can see a insane deforestation caused mainly by animal agriculture or growing food for animals. So South America is very popular for so much animal destruction here. So it's pretty bad that there's such an amazing nature in Ecuador, lots of hills, Andes, but the people don't appreciate the nature and are destroying it mainly with eating animals. And more deforestation caused by animal agriculture. You can just see how unsustainable this is. And here you can see a top of Cayambe covered with snow. So it's another volcano over 5,000 meters.
Alone.
Yeah,
It's better if you take a taxi or something like that. But during the day.
So our host from Airbnb picked us up at the airport, which is like 40 kilometers away from the town, from the city of Quito. And they're talking about different things, hiking and safety, etc. Also, we're saying about that we've never been so high in our life. The Quito itself is 2,800 meters above sea level, and the highest hill in Slovakia is 2,600, and I myself been maybe 2,400 or 500. And I actually felt like a headache the first night sleeping in Quito, so the altitude sickness should be taken seriously. And for now, you should be looking forward to more videos from Andes. And as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.